Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just want to talk about these Alt Cover patio chair covers. I will stand up so you can kind of see. They are a really good size. They work for chairs up to 28 by 30 by 32. So they work really well on deep seated cushions on patio chairs. The material is really heavy duty. It's not going to be flimsy or blow off in like storms or anything like that. It's made of a polyester canvas, so it is going to protect your patio furniture from the sun. I have had patio furniture multiple times and it always gets bleached by the sun. It protects it from rain, snow, hail, bird droppings, leaves flying around, anything that could really damage your patio chairs. Pets. My pets always get on mine and get their dog hair everywhere. On the base here, it does have a drawstring that's really durable. And then it also has these clips that go on the actual legs of your patio furniture. So like I said, it's really secure on there. It's not going to blow away and all of your stuff is going to be really protected. They look nice on, super easy to put on, just really convenient to have, especially if you live somewhere that kind of has different weather that could ruin your expensive patio furniture. So if you are looking for something to protect your things outside, your couches, your chairs, whatever it may be, I think that you should definitely look into this product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.